Hey now, hey now. All right, I want to talk a little bit about this stock market stuff because everybody's saying the stock market's crashing, the stock market's crashing. I'm gonna sell everything. No, dude, that's the wrong thing to do because if you sell whenever your stocks are down, you will lose that money. So for example, like I have like hundreds of this one stock, and it's like this stock that's worth like it was worth like $30. Okay. Now that stock is worth like $15. So it's like worth exactly like almost half of what I owned it originally at, and kind of like half of what I bought it for, right? And it was going up, and they pays a lot of dividends and things like that. So, what the worst thing you can do, literally the worst thing you can do right now is sell your stocks. Actually, you should be buying more stocks right now. And let me tell you why. Because the stock market, whenever it crashes, it always comes back later on, and it's better than ever, okay? The stock market crashes, no need to panic. Donald Trump said that this would happen. He said that once we impose these tariffs, once I get in office, stuff's gonna crash. And you have to give it some time, and it's gonna get better. I'm saying by the end of the year, maybe a little bit longer, if you guys are patient, you will get your money back, and then you can sell it whenever it's back high or higher, or you can hold it or whatever. But the worst thing you can do, the way you lose money whenever stocks are down, is if you sell it, okay? That's not what you want to do. You don't start panicking and everything. I'm losing so much money. First of all, the money that you invest should not be the money that you depend on to pay your bills. The money that you have in the stocks, that should be extra money put away, investments for retirement, for savings, those types of things. You never put your whole entire paycheck into the stock market if you need that paycheck to pay your bills. You don't put your paycheck in the damn stocks whenever you're going to just try to flip it real quick. That's not how it works, guys. Okay? People are being dumbasses, and they are panicking. Right here, I have an article right here. Global stock markets decline after China's crash. On April the 7th, which is today, 2025, global stock markets experienced significant declines, with Hong Kong stock market closing down 13.2%, marking its largest single-day drop since 1997. China's stock market also drew a substantial decrease, posting its biggest single-day loss since the 2008 global financial crisis. Other markets, including Taiwan, Japan, Italy, Singapore, Sweden, and several European countries, also reported notable declines in the stock market, okay? That's not terrible. It's bad, but it's only bad, like I said, if you sell right now. So right now is the worst time to sell. You should be buying up the cheap stocks that you know that are going to go back up, because all the stocks are going to go back up. I guarantee it. They will. Either by the end of the year, give it a year. This man is what? 3 months in, not even 3 months in to his second term, into this new administration that was destroyed, that almost destroyed the country under the Biden regime, because it is a regime. He almost, the last president sucked. In the new president, oh yeah, don't listen to a man that has billions of dollars. Don't listen to another man who is the richest man in the world, who is cleaning up government waste, fraud, and abuse. I saw this one post today by Cat Turd. Let me read what it says by Cat Turd. Absolutely hilarious. It says liberals on X with $17.86 in their savings accounts, 12 credit cards maxed out at 23% interest rate, a 10-year car loan with an 18% interest rate, and a 30-year mortgage with no money down at 7.8 interest rate. Wants you to know why the self-made billionaire president's tariffs won't work, and why the richest man on the planet doesn't know how to cut waste and abuse. That sums it up. Bunch of morons, dumb idiot, liberals, Democrats that want to destroy the world. Literally, they want to destroy the world at this point. I feel like they want to destroy the world. They have no fucking they don't even know what they're fighting for. I see this one video, this guy holding up a damn Trump is a fascist sign, and the guy asked him, yeah, how is Trump as a fascist? And he goes, I don't know. They just told me to say this. Hong Kong is down 13.6%. Taiwan is down 9.6, Japan 9.5, Italy 8.4, Singapore 8, Sweden 7, China 7, Switzerland 7, Germany 6.8, Spain 6.4, Netherlands 6.2, Australia 6.2, France 6.1, UK 5.1. Okay? So it's global, okay? And it's because Trump is trying to put money back in our pockets by giving tariffs to the same fucking people that tariffed us. Global markets react to U.S. tariff policies. Recent tariff policies implemented by the United States have led to significant reactions in global markets. Taiwan has responded to these policies by offering zero tariff to the U.S. Thank you. That's what we want. Reciprocal tariffs. You don't tariff us, we don't tariff you. It's like, bro, if me and you have an even exchange, okay, why are you going to tax me, but you don't want me to tax you back? That don't make no freaking sense. Somebody tell me why that makes no sense. Taiwan has responded to these policies by offering zero tariffs to the U.S. Meanwhile, China's stock market experienced a 10% decline at the opening of trading. Futures for major indices such as the Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, and the Nikkei 225 have also shown substantial drops, while the Nikkei 225 futures are even triggering circuit breakers. These developments have sparked concerns about the potential market instability, with some predicting a significant downturn on the Wall Street. Okay? Oh, sorry. So with some predicting a significant, I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm slow, guys. I'm slow this morning. I'm just waking up, just barely having my coffee. With some predicting a significant downturn on Wall Street. There we go. Okay. Here's from Donald Trump's truth. We have massive financial deficits in China. The European Union and many others only know this problem can be occurred with tariffs. I'm going to put it up on the screen. Which are now bringing, hey, sit, stop. Which are, the only way this problem can be cured is with tariffs, which are now bringing tens of billions of dollars in the USA. They are already in effect and a beautiful thing to behold. The surplus with these countries have grown during the presidency of Sleepy Joe Biden. We are going to reverse it, and the reverse is quickly. Some days, people will realize that tariffs for the United States of America is a very beautiful thing. That's Donald Trump via his Truth Social yesterday on 4/6/2025. Trump claims no inflation, urges Fed rate cuts. President Trump claimed that oil prices, interest rates, and food prices are down, asserting that there is no inflation. He criticized the Federal Reserve for being slow to cut interest rates, suggesting they would act more quickly. Additionally, Trump defended his tariff policies, stating that the U.S. is collecting billions of dollars weekly from countries that have historically taken advantage of the U.S. These statements reflect Trump's perspectives on current economic conditions and his policy stance. Hey. Oil prices are down. This is via Donald Trump on X. Oil prices are down. Interest rates are down. The slow-moving Fed should cut rates. Food prices are down. There is no inflation, and the long-time abused USA is bringing in billions of dollars a week from the abusing countries on tariffs that are already in place. This is despite the fact that the biggest abuser of them all, China, whose markets are crashing, just raised its tariff by 34% on top of its long-term ridiculously high tariffs, plus not acknowledging by warning for abusing countries not to retaliate. They've made enough for decades, taking advantage of good old USA. Our past leaders are to blame for allowing this, and so much else is to happen to our country. Make America great again. That's right, make America great again. Everything is down. Oil prices down. Interest rates are down. Inflation is down. The grocery prices are down. But the only thing that's down too is the stock market, okay? So we need to make sure that we don't sell, we don't panic, we don't do anything with the stock market, okay? We need to make sure that we hold and we invest wisely. And like I said, you don't want to start selling everything and panic. Here's a post from DJ Vlad. I've lost about $1 million in the stock market since it dropped. But did I really lose it? No. If I don't sell, then I lose nothing. The stock market has recovered every single time it has dropped, every single time. This is why I always said that you should only invest money that you know 100% you won't need to touch for bills or other required expenses. Because if I had to cash out stocks right now to recover expenses, I would be fucked up. If I had an extra million in cash lying around, I would definitely be buying up stocks. I don't usually agree with Trump, but he's right when he said this is the time that people get rich. Yeah, he's right about that. This is the time that people get rich because everybody knows right now is the best time to buy up the stocks. There's no other way around it. There's no other way of looking at it, okay? Let me know what you guys think. Is the stock market, are we doomed? Is there going to be another depression? No. So he's going to do the tariffs, and we're going to increase the stock market once again. We're going to make America great again, and the stock market is going to come back bigger and better than ever, okay? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more content and stuff like this. I do have a podcast, so make sure that you guys listen to the podcast and talk and listen to me. I have unbiased truths, unfiltered content, guys. I give my opinion. I don't always agree with Trump on everything he does, but for this, you have to listen to the billionaires and the people that are running the country, guys, okay? Let me know what you guys think. You'll have a good day. God bless you.